Hey everybody, it's Charting Man Dan here. We're looking at SPX, the S&P 500 index here. This is a daily time frame where each candle represents 1 day's worth of trading action. As everybody knows, this was a pretty bad week. You got the move up where it's incrementally stair-stepping higher, and then the move down, it drops off a cliff. Whether it's people panicking, people locking in profits, tax selling for the new year, or whatever it may be, it was a pretty steep downside move. The levels of support to watch, the 50-day moving average is sitting right here at 2,000. 100-day moving average is below it at 1988, and the 200-day moving average is down here at 1946. On the sell-off in October, we broke below the 200-day moving average, and that's when the panic really set in. People said, uh-oh, where are we going to bounce? What's going on? The indication for the bounce was this hammer candle right here. This long tail indicates that the low of the day was way down here, and the bulls bought it up and closed way up here. And the significant volume, as you can see, was much higher. That also indicated the bottom was in, and you can see it just exploded upwards from there. Another thing I'm looking at on the daily as to when this move downward might cease is the RSI, Relative Strength Index. You can see the October move, it hit the 30 level, which is the oversold level, and we're approaching it. It's 37.39 right now. So that's another level to keep an eye on. Looking at the weekly chart and seeing, where did it bounce on that October pullback? Look at this, you got the 50-week moving average right here. Bounced below it, panic, and the bulls bought it up by the end of the week, and it closed right at it. So that was significant to hold the support. And then the bounce happened, and you can see it was a pretty bad week here. But as long as this 50-week moving average is holding, the uptrend is going to continue. So that's a key level to watch on the weekly, and that's 1925 right now. The MACD is curling down, could have a bearish cross as we make our move down to test this 50-week moving average. Depends on how brutal the sell-off is going to be here. On the daily time frame, that RSI would probably hit below 30 before it reached down here on the 50-week moving average. But we'll have to see and keep watching, and I'll make an updated video at the end of next week. If you'll please subscribe, I'll be putting out videos all the time, and I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.